beloved planet, we see a world with no boundaries. How did we go from this to the divided world we live in today? What is it that has created this separation and disconnection? And why do we still choose to divide ourselves based on gender or religion or politics, or more recently, whether we're vaccinated or not? Divisions are as old as mankind. The narratives around shaming and blaming others have been designed in a way to separate us. What will the next thing be that creates division and enslaves our human consciousness? You see, there will always be a next if you choose that path. This is how we've been conditioned and programmed for eons. This is what has created borders and separation. This is how the operating system has been designed to work. It's the divide and conquer strategy that has been used against humanity since the beginning of time. So how can we remove the program? First, we need to recognize the programming and when it's being enacted, the one that has been silently running in the background of our operating system. Only then can we choose to remove the program. What if we uninstalled our operating system, which is full of outdated and faulty programs, and instead choose a new operating model that is built on togetherness and peace, love, compassion, and empathy? What would our world look like, and what would our leaders sound like? And how would we engage with each other? I believe in tomorrow's world, a civilization built on unity and integrity. This is my big vision, this is my Garden of Eden, and this is about living in peace with Mother Earth and our fellow brothers and sisters. This truly is what I hope for, what I long for, and also what I pray for. As sovereign divine beings, we have the wisdom and the ability to transcend these old ways of thinking and bring peace to humanity and our beloved planet. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. So what will you choose next?